Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make quick, simple, healthy oatmeal banana smoothie. Without further ado, let's get to it. Those are the ingredients that I will be using for today's recipe. 1 banana, oatmeal, ice, and whole milk. Don't forget to check the description below for all the ingredients that I use for today's smoothie. Now I'm gonna add the banana in the blender. Like I said, guys, this is quick, healthy smoothie to go. There's no need to add sugar, and you can also use any milk of your choice. Adding the oatmeal, milk, and ice. Blend until smooth. Look at that. That look amazing and it smells delicious. There you go. Oatmeal banana smoothie. Thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.